Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and name a group text on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted 3, 5, 20 different people in a group conversation, I'll show you how to create it and manage it, customize the name, the profile photo, all of that stuff. First, just open up the Messages app on your iPhone. At the bottom right, tap on the pencil and paper icon. And now you'll be able to see I can start typing in who this is to, or I can tap on the plus to the right. If I tap on the plus, it will open up with all my contacts and I can select the first contact. Now I could start messaging that person and it will be an individual text, but let's create a group text by typing in more people. So I'm going to type in more people. You can see I can start typing their name and tap on that person. And then in this case, I'm going to add one more person, Haley, to this list. So just keep tapping on their name, typing it. And now to create that group text, you need to first send the first message. So I'm going to type hi and hit send. It will create that group text and you'll be able to see if they're messaging other people with iPhones, it'll be a blue bubble, or if somebody has an Android phone, which is in this case, it will be a green bubble. Tap on at the very top where it says 3 people or however many people are in that group message. And from here, you can scroll down and see everybody that's in that group chat. To add more people, just tap on the add button and again, just start typing in more people's names. You can choose to hide alerts. And you can also scroll to the top and tap on edit at the top right and tap on edit name and photo. For in this case, I'm going to tap on group name and just name this to be family. And then I can also choose a photo or an emoji, whatever I want essentially to represent the group. In this case, let's choose this sushi and hit the check mark. And now I'll hit the check mark again. And you'll be able to see I've renamed this and basically added the profile photo representing that photo. I can also at the bottom tap on leave this conversation if I wanted to exit the group chat. And now when I tap on back at the top left, you'll be able to see I have this group chat. I named it photo. There's sushi representing it. And again, I can start typing people and it will go to everybody within that group chat. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy that one too. Thanks, guys.